Hello, my name is Ewan Cameron. I'm one of the co-founders of the company LAMA, or Lean and Mean Audio, and now I'm the Senior Business Development Director of rAVe Audio Systems. And we are here on the Avixa stand showing our LAMA audio software in action. Here we see LAMA Mix being used for mixing the sound for the Avixa broadcasts. And in the background we've also got our LAMA Connect, which is our connectivity solution, which is also connecting to our new audio hardware, which is called the Audio Edge unit. We'll also be using our LAMA AutoMix solution software for the podcast studio, which we will be showing later on. So it's great to be here on the Avixa stand, actually using our software in action. And yeah, it's great to be here in Las Vegas at the show. Say again? Do you want to plug a website? Oh yeah. For more information, please go to rosvideo.com.